This 2018 Forest River Blue Ridge Cabin 378 LF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 41 feet 2 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, LP detector, stove top burner, awning, skylight, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, water heater, microwave, Colorado detector, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Blue Ridge Cabin 378 LF is 13,084 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.